I'll just show you how to use the Apple AirPlay. First of all, I suppose if you go into, just go in here, and then we go into General, AirDrop, CarPlay, and you see there My Car Skoda. That's already in there. That's the screen you're going to get. Allow CarPlay while locked, which is the best way, otherwise you're forever looking at the thing so it recognises your face or putting your thumb print on it. So plug the USB in there and this into your phone. You see there, connection will be established via Apple CarPlay, and that's it. So that's showing you the screen that you had before, and you can then use this for your music. Back, go through all your stuff there, or nav. You can also use this system to send a text.
Okay, to whom?
Gordon.
What do you want to say?
Gordon, send me a reply that I can use in a YouTube video, please.
Your message to Gordon says, Gordon, send me a reply that I can use in the YouTube video, please. Ready to send it?
Send.
I'll send it.
Now we just have to wait for him to reply. Hopefully he's not doing anything. Gordon message now.
Gordon said, Barry, thanks for your message. Received loud and clear. All the best. Gordon, want to reply?
No need to be sarky.
Okay,